In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow games on Roblox Mobile. Now, before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Roblox on your device and sign in to your Roblox account. Now, go ahead and click on the game that you want to follow on Roblox. So just go ahead and click on that game. Scroll up to be able to find more information about this game, and in here go ahead and click on the bottom left corner of your screen, which is actually represented by these three dots. So you usually find the follow button above the favorites button. Now, since we cannot find that follow button, let's try looking for another game and try if there is still a follow button for games on Roblox. So just go ahead and select another game on Roblox, scroll up and click on the three dots beside it. So as you can see in here, there is still no follow button. Now, in the past, there is an option for you to follow games on Roblox, but with the current update of Roblox, you won't be able to find the follow button anymore, and you cannot follow games on Roblox in the present with the current update of Roblox. You can only add games to your favorites and rate the game that you have actually used on the application. And that's how you can simply follow games on Roblox. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.